on in, guys. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. So I'm normally the one filming my videos, but right now for this special video I have my roommate Lauren, Queen Lauren, filming for me. So it's a little bit weird. I feel like there's a production team, but that's okay. Basically, obviously, I'm going to be showing you my apartment. I wanted to do it this style, kind of in the style like the AD, the Architectural Digest videos, the open doors. I love watching those, so I wanted to make mine like theirs. So yeah, let's get started. Also, if you're wondering why, because I am a first-year student in college, if you're wondering why I live in an apartment and I don't live in student housing, it's because living in an apartment was the same amount of money as living in student housing was, but with an apartment, I get like a full kitchen, I get my own room, my own space, the living room. So to me, for the money, it made more sense to just get my own space. Yeah, not trying to brag or anything, obviously, but let's get started. The first thing you see when you walk in is the kitchen. This kitchen is a little bit busted, I'm not gonna lie. You'll see some details as in this, this shelf is gone. We just have yet to call maintenance. I just never got around to it. It's okay, we're not gonna talk about it. Yeah, pretty standard. I really love cooking. It's one of the reasons why I felt like getting an apartment made more sense than getting like just living in dorms, because like school food is gross and I really like cooking for myself, so I use this all the time. And yeah, this is just our kitchen. It's pretty simple. It's, I mean, not a bad kitchen. We have like our pantry in here. This is my shelf, this is Lauren's shelf. Then like we just have like random miscellaneous stuff, and the beloved espresso machine. I feel like this has literally been in every single video. And it's just really ceremonious. That's not a word. Ceremonious to my channel. Now that we come from the kitchen, we come over here, which when we got the apartment, we kind of thought was going to be like the breakfast nook, but I don't know if you can see, but the lip of this literally is like not big enough for anyone to put anything on it. And we actually painted these chairs ourselves. So we're on that college student budget. So we painted these chairs, me and Lauren, we painted them Peppa Pig pink, and they're hot pink, and they look kind of fun and fresh. I think I like them. I haven't made up my mind up completely, but I think I like them. They don't serve a purpose, like no one really ever uses them, but they're here and they add some color. So we try to tie in some pink, you'll see throughout the tour. So this corner is just really not interesting. We have a mirror and literally that's it. This mirror is Lauren's. She lived in a dorm before, so she had a lot of decor that we could like repurpose. I really like this corner though. I feel like it's like simple and it's still cute, you know? So then as we come from that breakfast nook, we're in like the living space. And so this is my couch. It's from Target. I believe it was around like $300. It honestly like quite simply sucks. Lauren, would you say that you like this couch?
It's like a 3 out of 10.
It's a 3 out of 10, right. However, it was $200, so like I can't really say much because like I did that, you know, like I bought it, so why would I? Anyways, so yeah, this is the couch. We do a lot of stuff on here, like sitting. We have all of these 3 things. We have like a little blanket to tie with the pink, and that's all from Target. And then, you know, obviously a coffee table, pretty self-explanatory. We have some like little knickknacks. I have some tarot cards because if the art school thing doesn't work out, I'll probably, you know, maybe become a tarot reader. And then, yeah, just the TV. Lauren's father, Billy, Ray Cyrus, was really kind to buy us a really nice TV. I think it's like Roku. It has like Netflix, Hulu. It's basically like a smart TV. You don't care at all, but I do, so. Arguably the best part of the apartment, I think, if this apartment didn't have this, it just wouldn't be as great as it is. So it's basically the sunroom. Lauren and I are big window fans, and so we were looking for apartments. We're like, we really want big windows, because if not, we're gonna get depression. And we don't want that. So yeah, these are our big windows. We're also lucky enough that we face west. So as of right now, it's like 5:30 p.m. and the sun's setting, and so we get afternoon light, and it's really, really nice. Golden hour is great in here, great for selfies. Then Lauren had this floor couch. Her like mom had this floor couch, and it's perfect. It's so comfortable, and I feel like it fits really well in this area, because this area is a little bit weird because there's like the living space, and then there's like this cubicle of like window. So it was a little bit hard to like decorate, but I feel like we did a pretty good job. Then if you see in this corner over here, which is also Lauren's, like 90% of the stuff is Lauren's. I am a piece of shit, yeah, whatever. So we have this huge, comfy, is this a love sack? Do you know the official name of it?
I do not.
Okay, well it is a beanbag, so maybe just search beanbag and you'll find something similar.
Yes.
And it's just like the greatest thing of all time. We just like put this in the corner, you can like sit there, do homework on it. It's honestly like just cured all my illnesses. It doesn't make any sense. It honestly just made our lives a lot better. It's, yeah. Okay. Oh my God, Lauren. Move from the beanbag, we literally can't forget about the best part of all time, our Snoop Dogg shrine. So this was printed in Lauren's, I feel like I've said your name. Take a shot every time I say Lauren, you will be dead by the end of this video. Also, we have Snoop Dogg's cookbook. And we read from it from time to time, and we really just do his recipe. Just kidding, we've literally never made a recipe from this in our lives. But I don't care.
But it's cute.
It's the cutest thing I've ever seen. And really just pay homage to God himself, Mr. Dog. And that's that. So as you move away from the sun, this apartment, you can like see by the layout, there's like weird sections. So like there's like this open area, and then there's like that little glass like box sunroom. And then over here, if you move past the couch, we have this other area, which I believe is for like a dining room. These lights like go overhead, so I think this is for like a dining room table, but like we don't want to buy one, you know, because we college, right? So we have this little area titled Things We Stole from Juan. You're probably like, who is Juan? That's a good question. Juan is Lauren's boyfriend, and this is basically everything we've stolen from him. So he has a party rocker speaker that we've stolen from him. We have an HP laser jet we've also stolen from him. And just a plethora of items that really one steals from another one's boyfriend. And so for right here, we obviously needed something to fill the walls with. If you make a gallery wall, it gets pretty expensive with like the frames and the prints and stuff. So like I said, Lauren was a freshman last year, and she had a bunch of like leftover projects. So we decided to hang all those up, and honestly, I think it looks really great. It was completely free, obviously, because they had already been done for school. And honestly, when people come over, they compliment this wall a lot, and I feel like it adds a lot of color and personality. We don't really ever go back here. It's just a weird section of the room, would you agree?
Oh, for sure.
Like, what goes here? You know what I'm saying?
Nothing.
And we also have like
our spare
Christmas tree from literally like 5 months ago is also there. So yeah, just, I don't know, okay? Okay, so we go down this hallway. It is a 2-bedroom, obviously. And if we go this way, if we go left first, we will be walking into Miss Lauren Phillips' room. And it looks like this. I feel like a lot of times in these videos, people are like, this is my roommate's room, but like, I'm not gonna go through it. But Lauren was nice enough to let us look in her beautiful room. Of course, we have the essentials of vintage piece made by none other than the US government. If you have anything to say, I don't know. You wanna say anything?
Yeah, that's it.
That's it. There's her bed. She's got a pink cowboy hat. It's super cute. And so there's 2 bedrooms, 2 baths. Lauren has the bath attached to her bedroom, and then I have like the tiny bit bigger room, but I have a, like, I'm the guest bathroom technically. So yeah, I'm the guest bathroom, and which is really just a recipe for disaster because I'm like the least clean person you'll ever meet. But basically, this is my bathroom. It's pretty small. The storage is a little, like, not the best. I just have like medicine, and then my skincare, and then I just have like a shelf. And I really have to like optimize storage because I have like a lot of product, but there's only like 1 cabinet. It's small, but it works. I mean, I'm only really in here when I have to shower and like take a shit, so just everything is unsubscribed. And obviously we have the best part, just kidding, but we have my room, yay! This is the room, this is where all the magic happens. I'm sure you've seen this from my videos. And overall, I love my room, it's great. So it's honestly pretty big. Yeah, you walk in, and then here is my closet. It's not like a walk-in closet obviously, but it's, you know, it fits all my stuff, and I don't really have a problem with storage yet. If I continue to buy more clothes, then I probably will at some point. I have my beloved IKEA mirror. I love this mirror so much. It's pretty, it's like not too expensive for a mirror. It's like $120, which is a lot of money. but I know that I will literally have this mirror like for the rest of my life, so I find it an investment piece. I'll just like look at my outfits in this and, you know, be narcissistic. It's really a fun time. Also, as you can see too, I have leftover Christmas like ornaments from the video I made where I decorated my room. Yeah, I was like gonna take these down, but it's like candid, whatever. I just haven't gotten around to getting decor for that. I don't know if I ever will. It's just college, baby. This is probably the part you've seen a lot. I've done like morning routines and whatever. I have a white jersey duvet cover from Urban. This is from Urban. Target, IKEA, Amazon, and then Urban as well. And then all 4 of my prints right here are made by the artist Carla Janos. I'll put it in the description. And I buy all her stuff off of Society 6 for her prints. And I love them so much because they really fit like the muted, warm tones of my room. So then I have this huge window, which once again is like one of the greatest parts of this apartment is the windows are so big, so the light's really great. It faces north though, so I don't get direct sunlight, but it's still great to have. The views at nighttime are immaculate, and it's overall just good vibes. And then right over from the window I have my desk, which is from IKEA. Really great. I never had a desk growing up, and so now that I have like a designated workspace, it's really great to get stuff done. And then I have the shelf from IKEA as well, which is some memorabilia, I guess. I have my 100,000 subscribers plaque that I settled put there so people know that I'm cool. I just have some like stuff in here, really cool and amazing and interesting. And then, oh yeah, so I actually made this. Well, if you saw my video, I made this, and so I was like, you know what, this is pretty sick, so I'm gonna hang it up. This is my clothing rack, which is like immensely unstable. I feel like it might collapse one day, but it was super cheap, really affordable. It's like $10 from IKEA, and it does the job. So also I feel like it adds a lot of color to the room too, you know, some dimension if you will, so everything doesn't look so flat. So we walk out here, we're back to where we started, and yeah, that's basically my apartment tour. It's pretty self-explanatory. I literally love where I live so much. The views are immaculate, the vibes are immaculate. It is really big, and I'm just overall really blessed. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and follow me on Instagram because I'm vain.
And follow me on Instagram too because it got hacked and now I have 200 followers.
Yes, we're trying to become Instagram baddies and drop out art school. So please follow us both. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. Without further ado, get out. I'm just kidding.
And scene.